Hi, so my name is Matthias Leone. I am a fourth-year aerospace engineering student at Florida Institute of Technology, and I just wanted to make this video as my video application, I suppose, for Deep Planet Research's aerospace engineering slash software engineering position opening. I am slated to graduate this coming May. I know the position was referring to graduates of this last year or this coming December. Although I hope that's not a disqualifying factor, I still wanted to extend my interest as the position plus the experiences and opportunities offered by Deep Planet Research still sound really enticing. So I'm going to go and talk about a little bit more about some of the projects I've done. One of the more fascinating past projects I think I've done, I'll go back a little bit. In high school, I used to really enjoy building these underwater ROVs, almost as part of a design competition that I was a member of called Seaperch Robotics. But I enjoyed learning more about the microelectronic systems involved in it, like programming the controller as well as organizing the circuitry involved in controlling the ROV itself. And again, this was an underwater ROV too, so contributing factors such as the ergonomic design of the thing to make sure that it wasn't behaving poorly in a hydrodynamic flow. And then going into my aerospace projects, more recently in my academic curriculum, I've had the opportunity to work as a member of the Florida Tech Rocketry's ground systems and testing, as well as propulsions and fluids subteams. On the ground systems and testing subteam, I was able to actually work on developing a ground testing stand for a liquid-fueled hybrid rocket engine that the team was also developing at the time. This has since moved into a capstone design project, but most of the design and development of the ground systems and testing test stand happened while I was on the team, and so getting to do iterative design processes on that test stand as a part of that team through programs like Fusion was a really beneficial and exciting experience to me. And I think one of the cooler ones because of the implications it has in an astronautics aspect, given that it's the most emergent field of aerospace and one of the most exciting as far as opportunities offered. It's still one of the experiences I hold most close and valuably to my heart. In addition to that, my most recent project experiences include my capstone design project, which is the AIAA's Design Build Fly project. And this is where we basically are given a set of mission requirements from which we have to design, build, and fly an aircraft from essentially the ground up that will meet these mission requirements and perform them as established in the rules. And I think this is honestly one of the more exciting to me because it has more to do with the aeronautics realm of aerospace. And has given me more practical design experience, given that I'm systems engineer for the entire team, and thus, because it applies more to my career elements specifically, is one of the more exciting to me as far as my more recent projects. I know it asks for one project specifically, but most of my design projects are very exciting to me, so I wanted to make those more known. But most of my interests stem from the overall design and mechanical elements of these projects, from which I have experience with subtractive manufacturing as a part of, because I would like to hone my skills more into that, and so getting part of those certification classes offered by Florida Tech was another really good opportunity for me. And yeah, those are my most exciting recent projects to talk about.